Hello all, welcome to another art tutorial with UdoCreatives. In this tutorial, we will be going over an acrylic painting technique called Sgraffito. Sgraffito in acrylic painting is a technique where layers of wet paint are scratched or scraped away to reveal the underlying layers. It is used for creating intricate patterns or textures. Let's start by applying one or more base layers of acrylic paint to our canvas. I'll be using light green, magenta and ultramarine blue for these layers. Palette knives, forks or any hard tool can be used for scraping. Sgraffito is typically done on the layer after the base layer of paint. We'll paint 3 different colors sections to show how this technique works. For Sgraffito, a rule of thumb is that the base layer should be dried completely, and the top layer should be wet. Method 1. For this example, we'll use Sgraffito for grass and bushy effects in a landscape. Add a second layer with darker green shade, and then let it dry partially. Take a palette knife and gently scratch top layer to reveal the colors underneath. Clean the edges of the knife when needed, and continue scratching. The thickness of scratch depends on the thickness of the tool you're using. Method 2. In this method, we'll use a fork to reveal the underneath layer. Paint a thick paint layer over our dried base layer. Hold a fork at an angle against the surface of the canvas and gently drag in wavy pattern. As you drag the fork through the paint, the points of the fork will reveal the color underneath. You can try different patterns to achieve your desired effects. Method 3. In this method, we can use straight knife, credit card or any hard surface for our Sgraffito. I'll start by applying a relatively thick top layer using silver paint. I'm extending the paint over other sections, just to show how this method works for creating different designs. Hold the straight knife and press it into the wet paint layer and gently drag in a curvy motion. You can create straight lines, curved lines, or even geometric shapes by adjusting the angle and pressure of your strokes. Continue to experiment with the knife and try different patterns, shapes and designs. As you can see, Sgraffito adds stunning effects, textures, and depth to your paintings. This is the end of our Sgraffito technique with acrylics tutorial. Always remember to practice using different colors and styles to find out which one you enjoy the most. I also hope that you've gained insightful techniques in this tutorial, and I hope to see you use these techniques in your paintings. Thank you very much for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to UdoCreatives for more art content.